Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the simple process of sharing files using AirDrop. Whether you're sending images, documents, or other content, AirDrop makes it easy to share files between Apple devices. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Check compatibility and settings. Ensure that your devices are compatible with AirDrop. AirDrop works on iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices running iOS 7 or later and macOS Yosemite or later. Additionally, check your settings. On iPhone or iPad, swipe down from the upper right corner to access Control Center. Tap on the AirDrop icon and select either Contacts Only or Everyone for visibility. On Mac, open Finder, then click on AirDrop in the sidebar. Ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Step 2. Find the file you want to share. Go to the app or location where your file is stored. This could be your Photos app, Files app, or any other application that allows file sharing. Step 3. Using AirDrop to send files. For iPhone or iPad. 1. Once you've located the file, tap the Share icon, a square with an upward arrow. 2. In the AirDrop section, you'll see nearby devices that can receive the file. 3. Tap the name of the device you wish to share the file with. For Mac. 1. Select the file you want to share and right-click on it. 2. Choose Share from the context menu, then select AirDrop. 3. Locate and click on the recipient's device name that appears. Step 4. Accept the incoming file. On the receiving side, the other user will receive a notification. They need to accept the AirDrop request to start the transfer. Step 5. Confirmation of transfer. Once the file has been sent, both the sender and the receiver will get a notification confirming the successful transfer. The files will appear in the appropriate apps, e.g., Photos in the Photos app, Documents in the Files app. Final tips. Make sure both devices are within close proximity and that AirDrop is enabled on both ends. For best results, disable any VPNs or firewalls that may interfere with the connection. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and happy sharing with AirDrop.